Hi there, Caroline Whale, just reading through some of my poems. I've got one here for Bonfire Night. Listening to the fire crackling, I watch the flames burn and smell the hot dogs frying as the Catherine wheel turns. I hear a loud bang in the sky and I just get to see a beautiful arrangement of colours which seem to be falling on me. Next time I'll know the bang's coming, but I still jump a mile. Then I feel a sense of relief, which seems to make me smile. Eventually the fire dies down and the fireworks stop. That's it until next year, and the guy will be back on top. Thank you.